Hello and good morning everyone. I'm going to show you the box of chocolate I received from a friend from Dubai. We're gonna unbox this gift and exciting. Let's see what's the brand. Taran! Brand is revealed. It's Pachi. Pachi is a expensive chocolate we can buy in this world. Ang mahal ng chocolate na to mga lalabs. So thank you to my friend from Dubai. Thank you. I really appreciate this gift you give to me. Thank you. Ang ganda ng pagka-box, diba? Ang ganda ng box. I'm gonna save this box. We'll see. And let's open. Taran! Taran, taran! It's Pachi chocolate. Charan! Pachi, Pachi! And yay! Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Nakalagay sa likod. Pachi. Ayan. Thank you so much. Nakatikim na tayo ng one of very expensive chocolates in the world. Itong brand na to from Pachi. So to my friend, thank you so much. Thank you for the effort. Thank you sa pagbili mo nito and to send it to me. So a chocolate box of Pachi. So ayan. O diba? So sa next tikman natin kung ang lasa ng Pachi chocolate. Yan. Ang ganda ng box. So sa box pa lang ganda na eh. Mamahalin. O yan. Yan. Diba? Tapos ito may ribbon pa. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng box. As in parang ayaw mong buksan at kainin. Ay, ang hirap. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko na maibalik ang kanyang ribbon. Wait. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. See you later. We try Pachi chocolate later.